Looking for the best homemade salsa recipe? In this video, I'll show you how to make fresh, flavorful salsa using simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen or garden. This easy salsa recipe comes together in just minutes. So here's what you'll need: 4 ripe tomatoes, half an onion, 1 or 2 jalapenos, fresh cilantro, 1 lime, salt, and black pepper, which is optional. You can also add garlic. Dice your tomatoes into small pieces. Finely chop the onion. Remove the seeds from the jalapenos if you prefer a mild salsa, or leave some in if you enjoy the extra heat. Everything should be chopped into similar sized pieces for the best results. So here is an example of the chopping that I was referring to. This is the cilantro. I have some growing in my hydroponic system, and I cut some for this recipe. And I'm just going to gather it up, roll it into somewhat of a ball, and dice it the same size as all the other vegetables. Place everything into a bowl. Add about a half a teaspoon of salt. Mix thoroughly until every ingredient is coated with the lime juice. Taste it. Does it need more salt? Add a little. Want more heat? Add another jalapeno. Need more brightness? Squeeze in a little more lime juice. The best salsa is adjusted to your own taste. Here's a helpful tip. If your tomatoes are very juicy, drain a little of the liquid. For restaurant-style salsa, blend everything together for a few seconds. Roasting the tomatoes and peppers first creates a smoky flavor. Fresh salsa tastes even better after resting in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. So it's been about 30 minutes and taking it out of the refrigerator. I'm going to scoop it into my pint ball jar here, and the remainder I'm going to place in a bowl. You can serve this with chips, use it on tacos, top grilled chicken or fish, add it to burrito bowls, eggs, burgers, or nachos. Fresh salsa goes great with almost anything. I hope you will give this recipe a try. If you make it, leave me a comment below and let everyone know how it turned out. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves homemade food. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.